Alright guys, we have a 2018 3.6 liter Chrysler Pacifica, and we have a misfire on bank 6, so we're gonna have to verify if it's just a bad coil pack, a bad spark plug, a bad valve cover gasket, or a bad seal on the valve. Alright guys, so we found the culprit. The map sensor is missing in action, causing the engine to think that it's severely cold outside, causing rich fuel, causing misfire. So until we find that sensor, we're not even gonna remove the intake or touch the coil pack to verify if maybe the misfire was caused by a bad valve cover, or a bad valve cover gasket, or the seal on the valve isn't closing properly, causing a misfire. Or it could be something as simple as the coil pack itself or the spark plug being damaged or faulty and it's time to replace. But until we get there, this is the issue right now. Alright guys, so we got two 8 mils holding the air filter housing. We're gonna go ahead and remove it, disconnect it from right here so we could push this whole piece out, and then we'll deal with, honestly, I'm just moving all this out the way to see if I could find the sensor somewhere hanging out. Alright guys, so we've got a missing sensor, and before we move forward we gotta find it. Alright guys, so we found it. Alright guys, so we went ahead and found it. We installed it. We'll put it all back together. We're gonna reset the code, drive the vehicle around the block. Alright guys, so the IAT map sensor was damaged, so that in itself could cause the vehicle to run rich or lean, which could add on to the misfire. So we went ahead and recommended to replace the map sensor and the coil pack and spark plugs, and I'm leaning towards the valve